Hey everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to look at which the factors, or the situations, that cause the production possibilities frontier to shift or to rotate. Let's get started. Before we talk about shifts and rotations, let's do a quick review of what the production possibilities frontier actually is. We already covered this in a previous lesson, so I'll leave the link in the description of this video. The production possibilities frontier shows the different combinations of two goods that an economy can produce, given its factors of production and its technology. In other words, along the PPF, factors of production and technology are fixed. So changes in factors of production or changes in technology are exactly what shift or rotate the production possibilities frontier. Let's start with the shift of the PPF. Here we have an example of a very simple economy that produces two goods, coconuts and fish. The PPF shifts to the right or to the left when a change affects both goods at the same time. If the change increases productivity, the PPF shifts to the right. For example, let's say a new person moves to this island. That means more hours of labor available, which increases productivity of both goods, and the production possibilities frontier shifts to the right. Now, if the change affects productivity negatively, the PPF shifts to the left. For example, the tide is high, and Robinson can't access part of the island, so he can only work on half of it. He's now working with less space. That reduces land as a factor of production, and productivity falls. In that case, the production possibilities frontier shifts to the left. Now, when does the production possibilities frontier rotate? If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow. The PPF rotates when there is a change in factors of production or technology that affects only one of the two goods, either coconut production or fish production. Let's say Robinson learns a new technique for climbing coconut trees. That's only going to affect coconut production. It positively affects coconut productivity, and because of that, the production possibilities frontier rotates at the intercept of the good that wasn't affected. And that makes sense, because at intercept of the unaffected good, you're looking at an economy producing only fish. Since fish productivity wasn't affected at all, that point stays exactly the same. Now let's say Robinson weaves a fishing net instead. A fishing net increases his productivity at catching fish. So the production possibilities frontier rotates at the intercept of the unaffected good, which this time is coconuts. And again, that makes sense. Coconut production wasn't affected. So at that intercept, the production of only coconuts stays exactly the same as before. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend who needs this study boost.